Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will show you the My Account section for the partners. So let's get started. Simply log into your partner's dashboard. Once you are logged in, please click on the More icon on the left hand side and scroll down, click on My Account. Here you will find multiple options that you can configure. You can configure your brand name. You can also add your brand website. You can also add the brand logo, brand rectangle logo. You can also add login background image from here and chatbot brand name powered by a line that you can add from here only, like this chat by BotPenguin. So you can add this line from here. Next, we have shows terms and privacy policy on sign up page. You can turn it on and off as per your need. If you turn it on, you need to add the terms and condition over here, the URL for the same over here. Next, we have the partner details like partner name, the phone number you can add, email ID you can change from here. Next is language. You can select the language for your partner portal from here. Contact person details you can add from this section. In case if your customer wants to contact you, so they can reach you out over these two contact details that you will mention here. Once you are done updating all these things, you can simply click on update details and these details will be updated successfully. So this is all what we have in the partners My Account section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.